Ever wondered how a global fashion brand actually comes to life? From the first spark of an idea all the way to the clothes hanging on store racks and accessories in shoppers' hands, the journey is both exciting and complex. It starts with a vision, then moves through designing, sourcing materials, manufacturing, and finally distributing your products worldwide. Whether you want to create a men's line, women's collections, kids wear, or even accessories and beauty products like makeup and hair care, the process shares many core steps. Today, I'll walk you through how you can manufacture your very own fashion brand that stands out and reaches customers everywhere. Let's dive in. Design the product. The entire process begins with design. A strong fashion brand needs a clear and unique identity before anything else. The best way to start is by creating a mood board that captures the essence of your brand, the colors, fabrics, silhouettes, and lifestyle you want to represent. This mood board acts as your North Star, guiding every decision you make from here on out. Think about who your target audience is. Are you designing casual wear for young professionals, formal attire for corporate clients, or trendy seasonal pieces for fashion-forward shoppers? Don't forget to consider inclusivity with sizing options that cater to all body types and ages. Your design work shouldn't stop at clothes. Accessories are a vital part of any brand's offering. Jewelry, bags, belts, sunglasses, they add personality and help customers complete their look. Additionally, beauty products such as hair care and makeup lines can reinforce your brand's vibe and open up new revenue streams. To bring your designs to life, use modern tools like Adobe Illustrator, CLO 3D, or Procreate. These digital platforms allow you to create detailed and realistic sketches, making it easier to visualize the final product. Plan your collections carefully, aiming for around 10 to 20 core pieces per category, so you maintain cohesion while offering enough variety. At this stage, creativity and clarity go hand in hand. Your designs need to be both original and practical, reflecting your brand's personality and meeting market demand. This foundation will shape everything that follows. Create technical drawings and spec sheets. Once your designs are set, it's time to translate them into technical drawings and detailed specifications. These aren't just pretty pictures, they are the blueprints that manufacturers will rely on to produce your products accurately. Each item requires a flat sketch showing every important detail: seams, stitching lines, buttons, zippers, and any other features that define the garment or accessory. This clarity eliminates confusion and prevents costly mistakes later on. Alongside the drawings, you'll prepare a tech pack. This comprehensive document includes information on materials, exact measurements, colorways, trims, and other finishing details. If you're developing beauty products like makeup or hair care, your specs will also cover ingredients, packaging requirements, and regulatory compliance standards for your target markets. Creating these tech packs may feel tedious, but they are essential for smooth production. They ensure your manufacturer understands exactly what you want, minimizing delays and quality issues. Source manufacturers globally. With your designs and tech packs in hand, the next big step is sourcing manufacturers. This is where your vision meets the reality of production. Depending on your brand's style, budget, and values, you'll find manufacturing options all over the world. For apparel, countries like China and Bangladesh remain popular choices for their scalability and competitive pricing. They can handle large orders quickly, but might be less focused on luxury craftsmanship. If your brand is aiming for high-end textiles and expert tailoring, Italy is the place to look. Known worldwide for its luxury fashion heritage, Italian manufacturers deliver unmatched quality, but the price tag will reflect that. Turkey and Portugal offer a middle ground, quality production with moderate order sizes and costs. These countries have developed strong textile industries and are becoming more popular for fashion startups. Ethical and sustainable production is increasingly important to consumers, and countries like Kenya and Ethiopia are emerging as leaders in this space. If your brand values fair trade and environmental responsibility, sourcing here can align perfectly with your mission. When it comes to accessories, the manufacturing landscape changes. India and Mexico are renowned for leather goods, while Vietnam is known for bags, hats, and other accessories. For beauty products, South Korea and France are global leaders in skincare and cosmetics innovation. Their factories follow strict standards and often lead trends in the beauty industry. The US is a great choice if you need FDA-compliant production for hair and makeup products, ensuring your goods meet regulatory requirements in major markets. Choosing the right manufacturer is a balancing act. You'll need to weigh cost, speed, quality, and sustainability. Always request samples before committing to a large order, and visit factories if possible to inspect working conditions and quality firsthand. Negotiating minimum order quantities or MOQs is another key step. Some manufacturers require thousands of units per style, which might not suit a new brand. Look for partners willing to work with smaller runs or flexible terms. Quality control and compliance. Before you rush into mass production, quality control and compliance must be top priorities. No matter how great your designs or how reasonable your prices, poor quality can destroy your brand's image before it even launches. Set quality checkpoints at critical stages: fabric sourcing, sample approval, and pre-shipment inspections. These reviews catch issues early and avoid costly mistakes down the line. For apparel and accessories, inspect stitching, material durability, and overall finish. Make sure zippers work smoothly, buttons are secure, and colors match your specifications. For beauty and hair care products, things get even more complex. You need to verify ingredient safety, test for allergens, and confirm shelf life to ensure customers receive products that are both safe and effective. Compliance with regulations from the EU, US FDA, and other agencies is mandatory, and requirements can vary by country. Hiring third-party quality inspectors like SGS, Intertek, or Kima can provide an extra layer of assurance. These companies specialize in auditing factories and testing products, giving you peace of mind. Distribute to a global market. With products made to your standards, the next challenge is getting them into customers' hands across the globe. Distribution is the backbone of a successful fashion brand, and it requires a smart, multi-channel strategy. Many brands today focus on direct-to-consumer (DTC) sales through their own websites, using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. This approach allows you to control branding, customer experience, and data. In addition to your website, selling on popular marketplaces like Amazon, Zalando, ASOS, or regional platforms like Jumia in Africa can dramatically increase your reach. Partnering with brick-and-mortar retail stores and organizing pop-up shops in key cities adds a physical presence that builds brand credibility and attracts customers who prefer to try before they buy. To manage orders and shipments efficiently, use fulfillment centers such as ShipBob, DHL, or local third-party logistics providers, 3PLs. These centers store your inventory and handle packing and shipping, freeing you to focus on marketing and growth. International shipping introduces its own complexities. You must ensure your products have correct harmonized system, HS codes, customs declarations, and meet labeling requirements specific to each country. Proper documentation speeds customs clearance and reduces delays. Launch and scale. Finally, it's time to launch your fashion brand to the world. Building buzz and hype is crucial at this stage. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are ideal for generating excitement. Create engaging content that tells your brand's story, showcases your products, and connects emotionally with your audience. Collaborate with micro-influencers in fashion, beauty, and lifestyle niches to amplify your reach. Their authentic voices help build trust and bring your brand into new communities. After launch, the work continues. Use customer feedback, sales data, and market trends to refine your collections and introduce new styles. Stay agile and respond quickly to seasonal shifts and emerging fashion movements. Scaling your brand globally is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep focusing on quality, customer experience, and smart marketing to grow steadily. With determination and strategy, you've just manufactured a fashion brand that can compete on the world stage. The runway is yours.